Welcome back, and in our top business story, the UAE has been ranked number 23 in the world order for global competitiveness, up from the number 27 spot last year. The 2012-13 Global Competitiveness Report, released by the World Economic Forum, revealed that out of the 144 countries surveyed, the Arab world saw Qatar at number 11, followed by Saudi Arabia at 18th, and then the UAE at the number 23 spot. The annual report is based on a select questionnaire distributed to a select group of senior corporate executives, which benchmarks countries on 3 stages: basic requirements, efficiency enhancers, and innovation and sophistication factors. The UAE was the only Arab country to feature in stage 3, where the world's most advanced economies usually feature, which details innovation and business sophistication. Switzerland, Singapore, and Finland are ranked 1st, 2nd, and 3rd, respectively. Emirates Airlines has contributed $596 million to the Indian economy, according to a new study by the National Council of Applied Economic Research. The study reveals that $274 million was contributed in the air transport sector, $76 million in the petroleum and chemicals sector, $62 million in the manufacturing sector, $39 million in the trade, banking and insurance sector, and $145 million in other sectors of the economy. It added that Emirates contributed $1,153 million as foreign exchange earnings to the economy, and that Emirates operations support 72,323 jobs in India. Etihad Airways has revealed that they are set to save Air Berlin up to $150 million off the back of their partnership. According to a local paper, an Air Berlin spokesperson stated that over the 12-month period, it has gone up to $150 million in savings off the back of joint purchases. The German carrier's CEO stated that thanks to the Etihad partnership, they are able to operate more easily, and that they have had a lot more programs that are helping them to raise efficiency. As part of Etihad Airways' acquisition of 29% last year, the Abu Dhabi carrier is reported to have agreed to grant Air Berlin up to $255 million to be released in 3 tranches. And let's now take a look at the stock indices across the GCC. We earlier spoke with Philippe Dauba-Pantanacce, the senior economist at Standard Chartered Bank.
Okay, so the ECB has a sort of to-do list for tomorrow's meeting. And top of this list, obviously, is the bond buying program. The only thing we're really sure is that Draghi will probably target the short end of the curve, the 1 to 3 years maturities. What we don't know, though, is following questions. The first one is, will Draghi set a limit in time in its bond buying program? The second thing is that we don't know if they're going to target or officially express a target in terms of yields or the spread that they're going to accept, after which they would intervene. And finally, we don't know if the program will include something else than the sovereign bonds. And it could certainly include corporate bonds, but it could also include the coveted bonds. The rest of the to-do list would be, according to us, a 25 basis point rate cut and also some liquidity injection. Now, as for the ECM, there are also a lot of questions, and the biggest question probably is, will they get a banking license? But I do think that the vote that will happen in Germany next week should not pose any type of problems.